Hey guys, back with me again on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Google Sheets file as private. So here let's say I have a file and I want to make this file private so that anyone cannot see this or edit this file. So here I'm using the Google Sheets mobile versions, and what you need to do is just click on the share icon at the top, the people and plus icon, and here on the manage access section click on this globe icon. Okay, so now the access to this file is anyone with the link, so anyone on the internet who has the link can view this file. And I want to change it into private. Just click on change, and here click on anyone with the link and click on restricted so that only people edit can open this file. Just click on restricted, updating. Okay, so now the permission has been updated and now this file is private, and people can see this file only if I add them into this file, or I invite them to see this file. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can make your Google Sheets as private file. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Bye bye.